Alright, bro, let's hit up this mall.
Alright, bro, hold up. Just drive back to the drive sick. Let's hook up this aux cord though.
Bruh, who do you think you is, man? You ain't touching my aux cord. We ain't listening to no Katy Perry. We ain't listening to no 2 Chainz, bruh. We ain't listening to no I ain't got no type BS, man. Bump you and your couch.
Bro, there's only one way to sell this.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Let's go.
Phantom versus Trap. Round 1. Fight. Phantom wins. Round 2. Fight. Fatality. Phantom wins. Perfection.
Bump this, let's rap battle.
Yo, wait. Yo, no. You are not about to try and beat me in a rap battle, bruh.
Oh yeah, I am, bro. No lie.
I know you ain't serious, man. Man, write another hook in my map book. Phantom on the track and I'ma kill it when the rap hooks. I am Phantom DM. Put you on the shakedown like I tore your ankle ligaments. Lil' Jack, how you gon' try and step to me? Throw you in the pot, you all up in my recipe. Man, you may think trap is live, but Phantom gon' haunt you till the day you die.
Bro, you trippin', you know I'm live. Chance to kill it, you throw you high. Why you trippin', the code is mine. Off the line, time to song. Sons of the dust and the all of these rappers, I'm king of the world. I know that the aperture, I'm like America, you like Japan. Dropping the boss just like nobody can, you did.
Trap wins. Extermination.
Haha, yeah, I got that aux cord though. What you gonna do about it, bruh? Haha.
I can't believe you won that. The heck?
Bruh.
Oh snap! I found my jam, dog. I found my jam. What the hell?
Subscribe.